Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 on AlmaLinux OS 10. Okay, first open any web browser. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. See here, at the time of installation the latest release is PostgreSQL 17.5. So click on download, then select Linux, then select Red Hat or AlmaLinux or RockyLinux. See here, PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHL, RockyLinux, AlmaLinux, CentOS, RockyLinux and Fedora. So select the version. See here we have the versions from 13 to 17. So select the latest version, then select the platform. See here we have the RHL, Rocky, AlmaLinux or RockyLinux 10. Select the version because I am on AlmaLinux OS 10. Once we selected, see here it populated the list of the command that needs to be executed to install the PostgreSQL 17. So copy the first one, copy it, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now disable if there are any inbuilt modules. So paste it, hit enter, it is done, Ctrl A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17-server. If you want to install 15, just replace this 17 with 16. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL server 17.5 and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Type A and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is not started. Before starting, we have to initialize the database. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Ctrl A. Now enable the PostgreSQL service. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now start it. Just replace this enable with start. Hit enter. It is done. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is running. So Ctrl A, verify again. See, these are the background processes running for the PostgreSQL server, and this is the data directory. Okay, see here the processes: logger, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher and logical replication launcher. Q to kit, Ctrl A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server. See, this is the PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.5. Ctrl A. Now verify the list of the users. /dv is the command to verify the list of the users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. Okay. Now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for this super user, that is Postgres alter user Postgres with password, and then provide the password. See, alter means we have successfully set the password for this user. Okay. Now verify list of databases. See here we have these databases. You can also get the list of the databases by running the command dat name from pg_database. See, you got the same list. Even if you want to get the list of the users by running select statement, select username from pg_user. See, we got the only one user. Okay. Now create a database. Ctrl A, back, create database. Now switch to this database and create a table. So to switch to database, we have to use /cr connect, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Verify list of tables. We see here we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. We have created a table /dt. See here, we have created table in public schema, name of the table, type and owner of the table. Okay, so let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control A. Now create a user. So create user. We have created user /tu. See, we have created user David. Now connect to PostgreSQL server with this user. /q is the command to quit from the current session. PSQL-u must be caps. U means username. Username is David. -h means host name. So I have installed PostgreSQL on this PC. Then localhost. Then -t means database. Postgres. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this David account. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged in to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Okay, Control A. Now try to access the database that we have created. Now run the query against the table that we have created. Now select start from customer. See, we don't have permission. So we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on AlmaLinux OS 10. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit from this Postgres user. Now sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL 17-server. -17. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped and it is inactive or dead. Okay, we took it. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. So you can't start with Postgres user. So sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started. It is active and running. We have started 3 seconds ago. See here, these are the processes. Control L. If you want to restart, just use sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -17. We have successfully restarted. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbviewer. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbviewer on AlmaLinux OS versions. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 17.5 on AlmaLinux OS 10. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.